project. And Aga and Charlene are very good friends of mine. Lizelle Martinez and Albert Martinez are very good friends of mine. So it's really strange that all of the younger ones get along with me. So I would like to keep it that way.
Okay, Rufa, medyo sunod-sunod kasi yung guesting natin sa pamilya. Kaya ang dami ko rin nagtatanong, hindi pa babalik pa si Rufa doon ang stage siya kasama.
Well, gusto kong pasalamatan si Sir Percy ng TV5 at pinagbigyan niyang request ng Regal Films para makapag-promote sa ABS-CBN. They are the media partner for this project at maraming salamat din sa ABS-CBN sa magandang welcome. So, tungkol sa pagbabalik, ay bumalik ako sa ABS para lang mag-promote ng The Mommy Returns. I'm very grateful na very warm ang welcome nila sa akin. And it just goes to show that I'm friends with all networks, whether it's kapamilya, kapuso, or kapatid. And it just goes to show na kahit na 2 years ago I transferred to TV5, eh, maganda pa rin ang relasyon namin ng ABS-CBN.
Mother's Day, your message for your mom.
My message for my mom, Mom, I love you so much. Thank you for giving me life and thank you for always standing by us, for supporting us. And kahit paminsan-minsan, hindi tayo nagkakasundo, you know that I love you and I'll always be here for you.
Mommy and mother, your message.
No message.
Mother's Day.
Rufa, sa mga pinagdadaan ng pamilya mo ngayon, paano nyo hinaharap ko sabay-sabay?
Alam mo, para sa akin, okay lang. I'm very strong. I don't think God will give us any problems that we cannot handle. Seriously, itong huling intriga sa akin, hindi ko talaga pinapansin. I'm clueless about the matter and it doesn't bother me at all.
Is this your team up again with Gabby? Is this your
Sorry?
movie again with Gabby?
Yes, it's my first time to work with Gabby again after a long time. First movie ko with Paul Huang. And syempre si Sweet, nakatrabaho ko na yan ilang beses. So, excited ako sa project na to.
Kamusta yung pagbabalik nyo na working again with Gabby?
Well, walang problema. Si Gabby looks younger by the day. Parang hindi siya tumanda. Crush ko siya when I was 12 years old. Ngayon that I'm older and more mature, ganun pa rin ang itsura niya. So, Gabby really knows how to take care of himself. Any girl would be lucky to have him.
Okay, thank you.